Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants. Right here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping Truewants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always such a treat when this box arrives at the channel because it is from the brand called GlossyBox. And this is a box that is such a treat because it runs around that $20 mark. It's free ship in the USA. It used to be only a UK box, but the GlossyBox division has a US counterpart. So if you're watching GlossyBox unboxings and you are in the US, make sure to look for the creators like myself that open up the GlossyboxUS box, because they are different items that are in the UK box to the US box. So normally we get a brochure inside these boxes. These are really keepsake boxes. They're absolutely beautiful. The inside is always as gorgeous. This is their classic box. Sometimes they change the design, but they never change the quality of the box that it comes in. It always comes wrapped in tissue paper with a gorgeous ribbon and everything in it. However, this time, one of the products that was in here, because as you know, what I do is I open up everything before I sit down at this desk here to be able to share with you on video what was in the box. I open up everything prior to, remove any excess packaging, make sure that everything that is in the box should be in the box and there's no damage. There was an item in here that was damaged, and of course it was a cosmetic product that crumbled all over. So I cleaned everything, and even after cleaning, sitting down here, I still had a lot of it that was coming out of the actual item. So I did my best to clean it up, press it in as best that I could so I can actually show you the product, because it's a beautiful product and I don't want to miss out being able to share that with you. But if you're not familiar with GlossyBox, I love being able to share it with you on the channel. It is, like I said, an absolute treat that this gets sent over to the channel. They also have a card inside here, and I don't know if this is the same card that is in the people that pay for the box, but what it says on the back of the card here, it says, "We're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each features 5 beauty products worth over $75. They also have a code that's called HEYGLOSSY, and that will get my followers a surprise at checkout." So I will have a link, my link to this box down below. And then if you're interested, I will leave this code HEYGLOSSY. And then when you check out, you're obviously going to get a surprise added to your box. So if you're familiar, the box price will go down, I think, to as low as $18 if you do it all year. But I think with GlossyBox, they only charge you, you commit for the year, but they charge you monthly. So check everything out when you go to the website. Like I said, I'm always impressed with this box because not only are their boxes a treat, when you are a member of GlossyBox, they also have limited edition boxes that are available to everybody. But if you're a member of the box, you get it at like at least a $5 discount off the regular price. So it's always fun, and they're limited edition of boxes I've had the opportunity to share on my channel, and they are blow away. So this is always fantastic. So the theme this month they have is called a Pixi. They had a scan code, but when I scanned it, it just brought me to their website. It didn't show any information in reference to the products. So I'm just gonna go through the products one at a time here. And as you can see, even on here, like I said, it comes with black squigglies, but this blush that we got inside here ended up going all over everything. And of course, I'm wearing a white shirt that I'm sharing in another video because it was in one of the boxes that I'll be opening up and sharing with you. And I wanted to make sure that I had the opportunity to film everything that arrived today. So starting with the first item here, which is fantastic. This one is from Christoph Robin. This is their Broomy Volumizing Instant Volumizing Mist, and it is a leave-in. It does come with rose water, and they're saying it will be an uplifting roots and will give us fuller looking hair. This is 5 fluid ounces. When I did spritz this, it does have that rose scent to it, so if you're sensitive to that scent of rose, but I find with his products, they really do dissipate quickly, and the quality of this brand's products are so fantastic that I use them, and I'm enjoying every single one of them. And this is a brand that is made in the UK, so and also in France as well. So this is just fantastic. This one, yeah, is Paris, France. So, and the brand is a UK brand. So really excited about this. But like I said, if you're sensitive to the scent of rose, be warned, but it's not one that won't dissipate. So excited to get this. The next item is 100% a winner, and this is only a product that I've had the opportunity to try from, it was from GlossyBox, but it was, I think 2 years ago, I got the advent calendar, and that advent calendar was blow away. I also gave you guys some phenomenal coupons for this year's advent calendar, but the items that were inside were not ones that spoke to me in a way, but it was only ended up getting that huge advent calendar. I think the discount went to as low as like $50 at one point. So this one here is a vegan product, and this is also so phenomenal. The brand is called Figs and Rouge. This product, my skin fell in love with it. I used it literally to the last drop. So I am so excited to get a replenishment of this, because this is a brand that I'm finding very hard to find, because this is made in the UK. So if you're lucky enough to get boxes that are based in the UK, they're able to get them into our US boxes. It is an absolute treat. But this is a brand I want you to keep your eyes open for, and it is called Figs and Rouge. And that is what this looks like here. It is a beautiful serum, and one, like I said, my skin just loved. The next item in here, and you got always a mixture of deluxe sample sizes and these full sizes, and it always, one product, even in a sample size, would more than pay for this box, because on top of it, these boxes are so fantastic and gift giving and keepsake. It is absolutely fantastic. So this one here that is in this box is one that I think a lot of us, if we ever got introduced to Pixi, this was the brand, this was the product that I think we all started off with, and this is their Glow Tonic. It has 5% glycolic acid in here. This is an exfoliating toner. The one thing I want to make sure that everyone knows when you're using this, there's all this pink on here, this blush on here. What is fantastic about this, but you just have to be very careful. I found the Pixi brand at Target, and when I moved to the US, and it's years ago already, we used to get the Target boxes, and they were fantastic, and they always had a coupon code in it. And when I would take that coupon, I would take it to the Target and always buy something from the Pixi brand. And this tonic was great. The only thing is, if you are sensitive, you should be careful with this, or use it every other day until your skin could handle this, because this does have 5% glycolic acid, and you might feel a little bit of a tingling sensation when you use this. The next item in here is from this brand here, and it is the banana setting powder. And I think this brand, I'm not sure what the name of this brand is, but it came like this. And this is the first time I got a product that came, when I opened it up, that this really didn't have any outside packaging, and it already had a little bit of the product seeping through on the outside here, because normally there is a major seal that is on the top here, which there still is, but the actual product came through. So this really got bounced around a lot, because the powder came through that broken seal, if there's a seal there that didn't hit one of the holes. But the one that caused a lot of the damage for me was this one from Lottie London. And it is such a beautiful color, and I'm trying my best that I'll be able to actually use it to tell you more about it, but it took me forever to, and even having it lying on a tissue here, a little circle pad, that is still coming up. So I don't know, I might have to, discard this. So this one is from Lottie London. It is in the shade called Haze. It is a gorgeous, I did my best, this was shattered, to press it in to the best of my ability, but even so, it's still seeping through. So that's the color that I can show you the best of it. It looks stunning, and I would have loved the opportunity to try it, but like I said, it came completely damaged. Now, if that happens to you and you are part of GlossyBox, 100% you call the company through customer service, you reach out, and they will do everything to, satisfy, to make sure that every product that you receive should be coming to you in the best condition. I don't think I have ever received a product from GlossyBox that was damaged like that, but that does happen in shipping. So if it does, just make sure to reach out to them. All right. So once again, thank you so much to GlossyBox for sending over this month of February's GlossyBox for the channel. It is called, this month's theme is Après Ski. And like I said, I will have my link down below with that code that if you're interested, you'll get a free gift. To me, this is a box that I love being able to share on the channel. And if you get this box or you're interested in this box, make sure to share that in the comments down below. But remember, this channel is really about the brands, the products, and of course the deals. And you always get the best deals in subscription boxes. So if you've had the opportunity to try this hair care product from this Christoph Robin, this fantastic serum from Figs and Rouge, or the toner from Pixi, as well as this banana powder, or this blush in Haze from Lottie London, please make sure to share that in the comments down below. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.